Hello, good morning. It's your friendly neighbourhood bus driver, and I pressed the wrong button. It's the 23rd of the 3rd. Is it the 3rd? February, March? Yeah, it's 23rd of the 3rd. It is Rochdale Transport. It's last day in Rochdale. Tomorrow, the B network launches, and it's kind of sad. It's kind of sad that it's the last day that we'll be seeing our colleagues, family and friends in Rochdale. Obviously, a lot of the drivers are staying with either First or Stagecoach, I believe it is. But it's still sad to see our family and friends leave us. Leave the family of Transdev, that is. So yeah, we're doing 4 minutes past 10, standard duty for me. And we're going to obviously do a couple of Rochdale. We're going to do one Rochdale, long break, have a talk, and then just, yeah, crack on. So I just thought I'd do a little intro because I'm getting terrible at doing intros. No, don't put it there because it's tracking. But yeah, love on the channel. We are very, very close to actually 4,000 watch hour views. I can only thank you guys enough. Subscribers are climbing slowly. I think that's partly on my fault because I'm releasing like one bit of content a week. And that was because I've done some of these videos and I wasn't happy with the condition of them. And the one that went out yesterday, people seem to like. There is about 40 minutes of footage, or half an hour of footage from the video. So I'm gonna, I've edited that already, and I'm gonna put that up on YouTube on Tuesday, I think. Yeah, it's actually a midweek video. And the rosters have changed, so all the timetables changed tomorrow. So my roster's changed, which means Monday, Tuesday I get more time. Which means I might be able to do more editing, more videography, if they are. What else? Obviously the B10s, we don't know when they're going, we just know that it's imminent. One of the shed, Zach, the shed guy from the shunting team, he said that the street lights are coming in today, but they're not to be touched, swept or refueled. Whether that means they're going to use them or they want to inspect them first and rebrand them may give us a couple of weeks, but I definitely want to get like a final hurrah video on the B10. I just need to get past my little anxiety when it comes to recording around work colleagues. But yeah, I think I should be able to do that. I'm getting better at it. I think I'm finally settling into my groove. Video wise, I put up 3 ideas for you guys to vote on. All 3 will get done, just obviously in the priority that you guys vote. Hoping the weather starts getting better so I can go out and record more. Or it might have to switch from being on the Osmo to being on my phone again, because the Osmo's not waterproof. So yeah, it's 19:40. I best get to work, and I'll talk to you when I get to work. Hey, we're at work. Weather is biblical, absolutely biblical. I'm just thinking, you guys really like these videos. I appreciate that. Well, I want to track me. You really do like these videos, don't you? You really get behind them. I'm supportive of that. Thank you very much. Yeah, can't clock in. I just remembered it's almost Easter. It's got me down as a DT. I don't actually know if I've got any bank holidays left. Might be out of holidays. I don't really want to work Easter. It's kind of a religious thing for us. So yeah, let's go and find a bus. There is a bus on there being prepped, but I couldn't get the driver's attention, so I thought, fuck it, let's just walk. Let's just walk. Oh, I've left my sunglasses in the car. Oh. No, I'll have to do without them. I'll have to drive without sunnies today. Damn it! I drove to Middlesbrough, Teesside the other day, so I took my sunglasses with me. Which meant I've now left them in the car for the 3rd day running. I still don't know what that means. Oh well. So yeah, last day of Rosso. It's kind of sad. It's kind of really sad. You know, especially when you consider how long it's been going for. But yeah, we'll get some footage down there today. We'll do a driver POV from Rochdale maybe, and then We'll see what's going on. But the weather is weird as hell. So I'll see you in a bit. So it's dinner time now. Just checked my rosters for next week. New duty's starting tomorrow, so yeah, not too bad. In fact, what's my Sunday crew gonna be? So Sunday, Saturday, 7:03. 7:03. Dead to Rochdale to Aki to Rochdale to Aki. An hour's break, 5 hours drive. So 12:25 till 17:35. Shy of 5 hours, isn't it? What's turnaround times now? Aki to Rochdale, that's fine. 5 minutes. At least they're giving us some more time at the interchange to turn around. Interchange 13:34. 6 minutes. Aki 45. It's only 5 minutes at Aki. But 6 minutes at Rochdale. That makes a difference. So yeah, not too bad. There's only one. So it's 8 hours 59 on a Sunday, 6 or 7 on Monday, 6 or 7 on Tuesday, rest day Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, 6 hours 55, 7 hours and 6. So 35 hours and 13 minutes, give or take. It's not too bad, it's about 515 quid. So yeah, last run, dead easy. Busy into Rochdale. Didn't have to do much. Coming out of Rochdale, nice and easy. Yeah, couldn't complain. A lot of bus spotters. Don't think they're here for us. It's a shame. Take pictures of me. Send them to me. Link them to me in the description. In the comments. Yeah. Some drivers don't like having the pictures taken, but it's part of being a bus driver, isn't it? It's like being a train driver. So yeah. Well, I'm going to have my lunch and then I'm going to take over another bus at 13 something and text Carly and Courtney and Sarah and Matt. Text all the family that have texted me and then enjoy my dinner and go for something to eat, go back out again. So I'll see you in the end. Watching you take it through wash.
Quite good, really, though.
Yeah. I just didn't get it all properly. It's not a bad little camera.
Yeah. Good picture on it, yeah.
Red light.
Yellow light.
Yellow light, so that means wait.
That means the back brush is coming here.
Ah.
It's going off now.
Green means we can go. Yeah, that's what I thought. So the Rochdale runners, I don't, unless they've got 2 of them.
Yeah, possible.
But the only reason why I recognise it is because it has the red what you call it, the red rings on tyres. So do you think that do you believe they're all out, they're not worth it then, or they've said they're not worth it? Better. That's Saturday over. Got to meet some of you guys at Rochdale bus station. Lovely to meet you. I hope the camera got it, because it was being funny. There's 5 vehicles here so far. I'm meant to be getting 25 from Rochdale. There's 5 here so far. one day in the afternoon we'll go over and have a look at them when we've got some free time. So yeah, it was nice to meet some of you over there. I think I saw two or three of you. If you were there and you saw me, you should have just come and said hello. Don't be scared. But yeah, it was nice to meet some of you. It's a bit, I don't know, it's a bit of a shame really. Rosedale Transport over in Rochdale has ended after so many years. Yeah. Tomorrow we're working away for the next 3 days apparently. So I might try and capture some of that. Yeah, thank you very much for all the love and support on this channel. I am going to go home, see my wife and son. Gonna put you there a second. But yeah, it's bittersweet. I mean, I was just saying to Zach then, we might be back there in 5 years. I don't know what. Obviously, I don't work in that department. I don't work for commercials. I work as a driver. I don't know what's going on, but it just feels. It feels like a big part of the company's just gone. It's just been taken away from us, and obviously we're not affected. Essentially, 464 drivers, but all our friends, you know, like on the B1s, B4s, some of them might have gone. I don't know who's missing from there. I've tried to catch up with as many drivers as possible. I haven't seen anyone. There's a few of them missing. But like, people you see every day on the R1s, the R3s, late lines, stuff like that. They're just, that's it. They might still be working for Stagecoach and First, but it's just, yeah, it's just weird not going to be seeing him in the Rosso uniform. I know some are coming over to Blackburn and some coming to Burnley, so I look forward to meeting them. But yeah, it's just weird. It's just gonna be weird to see the B network. You know, I think it works, the B network, but yeah, it's just well, it's just progression, I suppose. It's just elementary deal. No, it's not elementary. It's evolution. It's evolution, isn't it? So yeah, hopefully you're gonna start working on some new projects. You guys have been voting in there. One of the routes I definitely want to try out is the 59 from Accrington, showcasing that, and then do some more stuff. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, and ring the little bell so you get notifications of my videos. Should be every Tuesday and Friday, and sometimes I do the Sunday video. Gaming videos will be back soon. I will need to kick myself into shape and get it done. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.